Good morning, students. Students, in previous lecture, we have started chapter number 4, the computer mouse, right? In which we have covered some topics. First is computer mouse, in which we have done mouse buttons, that is left mouse button, right mouse button and scroll wheel, right? And we also have learned about what is mouse pad and how to hold a mouse, right? So students, today we will continue the chapter. We will start from mouse pointer, right? So what is mouse pointer? Students, we have read in previous chapter number 3, that a computer mouse is used to point at any item. It means it helps us to point any item which is on the monitor, right? So students, the mouse pointer. What is mouse pointer? Mouse pointer is the slanting arrow. You can see here the mouse pointer. It will look like this slanting arrow on the monitor screen, right? Let's read. The slanting arrow that appears on the monitor when you move the mouse is called mouse pointer, right? As you move the mouse, the pointer also moves on the screen. So student, mouse pointer, which is a slanting arrow which appears on the monitor screen, and when you move your mouse, the mouse pointer will also move. Okay? So student, here is an activity. You have to join the dots and draw a mouse, and you can fill any color which you like, right? Next is actions of mouse button. Students, do you know every mouse button, whichever is left mouse button or right mouse button, it performs some important actions. So let's read about it, okay? So students, mouse buttons help you to do important actions. Yes, when you press a mouse button, you can hear a click sound, right? Yes, like click. Let's learn about the 4 actions of mouse buttons. First here is click. Students, pressing the left mouse button. First we will do left mouse button, okay? Pressing the left mouse button once is called click, or we can call it left click, right? A left click selects an item on the monitor. Students, here in this figure, it shows the left click. When you click on the left click button, it will select the item or the icon on the monitor, right? Next, double click. So students, what is double click? When you press twice on the left mouse button, then it will open an item or the object on the monitor. Okay, let's read. Quickly pressing the left mouse button twice is called double click, right? A double click opens an item or object on the monitor. But be careful, the item should be selected first. Your mouse pointer should be on that item, and then when you double click on it, it will open up the item or the object which is on the monitor, right? Next here is drag and drop. So students, What is drag and drop? Let's learn about it. Drag means to move an item, right? And drop means to place from the item one place to another place. Let's read it. To drag and drop means to move an item and place it in another position on the monitor. Suppose there is an item which appears on the left top side of on the monitor, right? We can drag it, we can select that item and we can drag it to some other position. Okay, so we can change the position of that item through drag and drop, right? So let's follow these steps how to drag it. First, place the pointer on the item you want to move, right? Next, click and hold the left mouse button, right? Next, now drag the item on the monitor by moving the mouse. And when you release the mouse button, once you place the item in a new position, right? Yes. So students, next here is right click. What is right click? Yes, right click. This action will be performed with the right button. Here is a left button we have done. Now right button. So let's learn. Pressing the right mouse button once is called right click. Okay. And clicking the right button opens a list of commands on the monitor. Students, it means when you right click on the blank area on monitor, it will appear like this type of context menu. Okay. This kind of list of commands will be presented on the monitor. So students, that's all in chapter number 4. If you have any query, you can ask me. Till then, take care. Thank you.